Okay, this episode of Gavan was just fun. We open with Raiya and his commander talking about possibly creating the emotional Sentai Gavan Rangers to take on the Galaxy's Abyss teased 3 episodes ago. Meanwhile, ZEZTZ is training when he gets caught off guard by Amo. However, that's cause he's off his game since learning that he does have emotions. And to try to see if he can cry, he tries everything. Cuts onions, yawns, has some spicy shit, but nothing makes him cry. So he tries to do method acting, which leads him to Raiya, who catches him off guard using ninjutsu. But for now, he goes to his class while Reiji and Raiya run into each other, which means that there's a negative Emorgear here. However, it turns out the user is the method acting teacher who is manipulating others' emotions and holding them captive. And of course, seeing this and the user, Reiji goes in wanting to get the Emorgear back. Now, I found it funny that since Raiya and ZEZTZ don't know each other's identity, they just don't let each other transform, which then just lets the guy get away. Thankfully though, Raiya did put a tracker on him so they could find him. Turns out he's using the tears as medicine since his wife got sick due to the water not being safe to drink for their species, with human tears apparently being the cleanest. However, when they tell him that doesn't make it okay, his rage sends out the Emon, sending the team in. Now, this Emorgear user is actually way different from the ones we've seen before. The user is actually able to use the Emon ability as a human, which honestly I wish we saw a little bit more of. But the instructor says that ZEZTZ out of everyone should understand why he would go that far to protect someone using those tears. However, it's the complete opposite. He knows how precious those tears are, so he protects it. Now, this fight here was pretty cool. I love that Reiji gave some of his power to ZEZTZ to land the finishing blow. And then the finisher literally making it rain tears was honestly really cool and kinda symbolic. Now, even though this guy was defeated, his wife will now get that clean water thanks to Team Infinity. But now we are one step closer to emotional Sentai Gavan Rangers.